G'day, I've got a few bits and pieces to show you here, a few opal rubs, and this piece of boulder opal. So this one's just got this little bit of red multicolour there. There's that one. It's got some blue-green. I was rubbing up a few little pea knobbies and this is what I came up with. That's that one. Nice green, blue on a darker base. Get this little eye of green. On that one. Bit of honey potch. It's got a little bit of green flash there. Cut that side smooth, faceted, a few bits. There's this little guy. Man, I'm getting itchy legs just standing here showing you these. But I'm feeling good, apart from the itchy legs. It happens. Got this little guy here. This was a bit of tree fossil. It doesn't have anything on it. It's a bit of a dud. There's that one again. I think I already showed you that one. That's that one. Again, these were just little pea knobbies that have been cut and they haven't been polished. You can see that's got a tiny fragment of colour on the back, and then this side has got some multicolour. It's got a bit of orange and green and red on that side, and then just green on this side. Nice greens. Some real nice greens. Look at that. Neon green. Then this side. A little bit of multicolour. It's a nice one. It's got a little bit of colour there. Just a little bit. All rubs. Rub, dub. Bit of purple. Another little bit of purple. It's got a little bit of blue. Bit of a specimen. What do you think of the cut on that? It's got some nice greens. Tons of fun cutting through all of these. And then we've got the boulder opal that I cut. It's got some very, very nice reds. And so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. Cheers.